Somebody just open sourced a hedge fund.
Okay, so here's something kind of wild that's been climbing the GitHub trending list this weekend. There's a Python project called TradingAgents that just crossed 53,000 stars, and what it actually does is pretty unhinged when you think about it. It's a multi-agent LLM framework that mirrors the structure of a real Wall Street trading firm. You spin it up, point it at a stock ticker, and it runs an entire simulated firm under the hood. Fundamentals analyst, sentiment analyst, news analyst, technical analyst, bullish researcher, bearish researcher who actually debate each other, a trader agent, a risk management team, and a portfolio manager who approves or rejects every transaction. All of them powered by LLMs talking to each other. 53,678 stars, 9,768 forks, Apache 2.0 license, and version 0.2.4 shipped 3 days ago. It started as a research paper out of UCLA in late 2024, then quietly got open sourced, and the GitHub repo has been doubling stars every couple months since. Let me show you what's actually in it. So the core idea is that real hedge funds don't have one person picking stocks. They have entire teams, and those teams argue with each other, because that argument is what produces a defensible position. The authors looked at how a typical trading firm actually operates, broke it into specialized roles, and built one LLM agent per role. The analyst team is 4 agents working in parallel. Fundamentals digs into the company financials. Sentiment scrapes social media and public mood. News monitors macroeconomic indicators, and technical runs MACD and RSI and the usual chart indicators. Then it gets interesting. The researcher team has 2 agents, a bull and a bear, and they're explicitly designed to disagree. They take the analyst reports and they argue against each other for a configurable number of rounds before they hand off. The trader agent reads everything, decides timing and position size, and proposes a transaction. The risk management team evaluates that proposal against volatility and liquidity. And finally, the portfolio manager either approves or rejects it. The whole graph runs on LangGraph, so every agent transition is a node. You can resume from a checkpoint if it crashes, and there's a persistent decision log that learns from how previous trades actually play it out. Okay, so why is this a big deal when there are already 100 other algorithmic trading frameworks out there? The honest answer is that most of them are either really mechanical, like rule-based moving average systems, or they're black box machine learning models that spit out a buy or sell signal with no explanation. TradingAgents sits in between. Every decision the system makes is fully traceable. You can read the analyst reports, you can read the bull and bear debate transcripts, you can see exactly why the trader picked that position size, and you can see why the portfolio manager rejected it. It's auditable in a way that traditional quant systems are not. The repo is written in Python, sits at 53,000 stars and 9,700 forks, ships under a permissive Apache 2.0 license, and the underlying paper is published on arXiv as paper 24 12.20138 with full citations. Let me get into the actual agents because this is where the design choices start to matter. The fundamentals analyst pulls the latest filings, runs a ratio analysis, and writes up an intrinsic value estimate. The sentiment analyst scores Reddit, X, and other social signals to gauge near-term mood. The news analyst tracks global macro indicators and breaking events that move prices. The technical analyst runs MACD, RSI, Bollinger Bands, the standard pattern detection toolkit. All 4 run in parallel, all 4 produce a written report, and the system explicitly does not collapse them into a single vector. The disagreement between them is signal, not noise. Then comes the layer that I think actually makes this interesting. After the analysts file their reports, 2 researcher agents read everything. One of them is structurally bullish, the other is structurally bearish, and they argue across multiple debate rounds. You can configure how many rounds they go. The bull argues for opening the position, the bear argues against it. They cite specific numbers from the analyst reports, and at the end, the trader agent reads the full debate transcript and makes a call. After the trader proposes the trade, the risk management team evaluates volatility and liquidity, and the portfolio manager has final approval. If approved, the order goes to a simulated exchange. If rejected, the loop ends with a written explanation. Under the hood, the whole orchestration runs on LangGraph, which means every agent is a node in a directed graph and every transition between nodes is checkpointed. That checkpoint resume feature is opt-in, but if you turn it on and a run crashes halfway through, you don't lose the analyst work. You resume from where it stopped. There's also a persistent decision log that's always on. Every completed run appends its decision and its reasoning to a markdown file in your home directory. Then on the next run for the same ticker, the system fetches the realized return, computes alpha against the SPY benchmark, generates a one-paragraph reflection on what went right or wrong, and injects that history into the portfolio manager prompt. So the system literally learns from past trades. Setup is honestly painless. You clone the repo, create a Python environment, pip install, set the API key for whichever LLM provider you want to use, and run the CLI. It supports basically every major model. OpenAI GPT, Google Gemini, Anthropic Claude, XAI, Grok, DeepSeek, Quant, TLM, OpenRouter, and llama for local models. The CLI drops you into an interactive picker where you choose your ticker, your analysis date, your provider, and how many debate rounds you want. Version 0.2.4 shipped on April 25th, so 3 days ago. And it's actually a pretty significant release. The big headline is Structured Output Decision Agents. The research manager, the trader, and the portfolio manager now use pedantic schemas with each provider's native structured output mode, which means decisions parse cleanly and the failure modes drop dramatically. They added DeepSeek, Quant, GLM, and Azure OpenAI as supported providers. Docker support shipped with multi-stage builds, and there's a 5-tier rating scale now. Buy, overweight, hold underweight, sell, used consistently across the research manager, the portfolio manager, and the persistent decision log. So who should actually pay attention to this? If you're a quant researcher doing systematic strategy work, this is a clean reference implementation of how to wire LLMs into a multi-agent decision graph. If you're a hobbyist trader who's been wanting to experiment with AI-driven analysis, you can spin this up against your own portfolio in about 10 minutes. If you're a fintech founder building tooling for retail investors, this is a permissively licensed foundation you can fork and extend. And if you're just an indie hacker who's curious about how multi-agent LLM systems actually work in practice, this is one of the cleanest examples I've seen in any domain. Okay, let's be honest about the trade-offs. Running this on every analysis cycle burns real money in LLM tokens, because each ticker triggers 4 parallel analyst calls plus multiple debate rounds, plus the trader and portfolio manager calls. The authors explicitly say this is a research framework, not financial advice, and you should not YOLO your retirement into whatever the portfolio manager spits out. And the simulated exchange is a backtest. It's not a live broker integration, so you're going to have to wire that part yourself if you want to actually trade. But for everything that's a caveat, the project is real. Apache 2.0 license, 53,000 stars in 4 months, weekly releases, multi-language documentation, and an actual published paper backing the architecture. If you build with llm-agents in 2026 and you have not at least cloned this repo and read the LangGraph wiring, you're missing one of the cleanest reference implementations out there. Repo link is in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you tomorrow.